Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install a protector for your Galaxy Watch. This could be helpful if you go for a hike or do like sports events, but you want to wear your watch and also protect it from scratches. Then you can install these rubber protectors. So I will show you how to put them on. First of all, you gotta watch for the buttons section because it has a little button section here, and also the microphone. So this place goes here, as you can see, and then to put them on you just go like this and you can stretch them a little bit because they are rubber, and yeah, that's it. It's on, and this way your watch is protected from all the scratches. If you also wear a screen protector, then you are pretty much good to go. I'm not saying that it looks cool or stylish because it's quite ugly, but yeah, that's what you gotta do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you liked it.